In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate terms and conditions for your Shopify online store. Whether you're just setting up your store or looking to refresh your policies, having a clear and concise terms of service is crucial. It not only informs your customers of their rights, but also helps protect your business from potential legal issues. These terms outline how customers interact with your store, covering everything from payments and returns to shipping and privacy. So getting them right is an important step. Let's dive in and get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. This will take you to a comprehensive page filled with various options to customize and manage your store effectively. Everything from shipping preferences to taxes and store details is managed here. Now, from this menu, you'll want to look for and select Policies. This section is where Shopify houses all the necessary templates and options to legally protect and inform both your store and your customers. Inside the Policies page, you'll see several options, typically including your privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service. Each of these plays a key role in communicating your business practices clearly. What we want today is the Terms of Service section. Click on it and you'll be presented with two options: writing your own terms manually or using Shopify's convenient template generator. For simplicity and efficiency, let's choose Insert Template. This feature is incredibly handy, especially if you're not well versed in legal jargon or trying to draft terms of service from scratch. By clicking Insert Template, Shopify will automatically generate a generic terms of service tailored to your store. It's truly as simple as a single click. Now, take a moment to scroll through the template that's been generated. While it's a solid starting point, it's important to review it carefully to ensure it aligns with your business practices and policies. The default template covers the basics, but every store is unique, and small adjustments can make a big difference. You might want to make a few tweaks based on your specific offerings, such as cloudai.com. Don't worry about this, step.com/cts/default. Shipping timelines specify how long customers should expect for delivery. Return and refund policies clarify what conditions apply for returns or exchanges. Payment methods list the types of payments you accept and how transactions are processed. Subscription or recurring billing terms, if your store offers memberships or auto-renewing products. Digital products, if you sell downloads or digital items, make sure your policy reflects that these items are typically non-refundable. These small details help prevent confusion and disputes down the line, while also making your customers feel more confident when shopping with you. It's always worth consulting with a legal professional if you want to ensure everything fully complies with your local regulations or industry standards. Laws can vary depending on your country or region, for example. If you're selling to customers in the European Union, you'll need to comply with the GDPR General Data Protection Regulation. For businesses in the United States, you may need to consider state-specific laws such as the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. If you sell internationally, make sure your policy covers currency conversions, customs, and duties. A quick consultation or even a review of your template by a legal advisor can ensure your policies are rock solid. Once you're satisfied with the details, the last step is to make it official. Go ahead and click Publish. This action will save your terms and make them visible to your customers, usually displayed in the footer section of your website. You can also link your terms of service on your checkout page, ensuring that customers agree to them before completing a purchase. Providing this information builds transparency and trust while giving you peace of mind knowing that your business and its customers are well informed and protected. Over time, your store might evolve. New products, new shipping methods, or changes in your return policy. Whenever that happens, it's important to revisit your terms of service and update them accordingly. Shopify makes this easy. You can come back to this section at any time to make edits and republish the most up-to-date version. Also, consider adding a last updated date at the top of your terms of service page to show customers that your policies are agilely maintained. And there you have it. And also close 1-minute time. Setting up the terms of service on Shopify is a simple, yet vital task for running a successful online store. Remember, these terms are not just a formality. They offer legal protection, clarity, and transparency that help build trust with your customers. Having a professional and well-written terms of service shows that your business takes customer rights and responsibilities seriously, which can improve your store's reputation and credibility. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Shopify store effortlessly.